Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming updates and enabling Apple Intelligence. This gives the system permission to analyze local data for cleanup. Once done, create a quick backup so changes are reversible. Next, open Settings, go to Siri and search or System Settings, toggle Apple Intelligence on, and grant any requested permissions. This step speeds indexing and prevents missing items. Make sure your device is plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Initial indexing can take several minutes, so let it complete before proceeding to content cleanup. Now you run the cleanup features across apps where Apple Intelligence suggests actions. In Photos, tap the summary card to remove duplicates and blurred images. In Files, accept suggestions to archive or delete rarely used documents. Once done, check messages for large attachments and unneeded threads. Follow the Apple Intelligence prompts to summarize or remove. Make sure to inspect grouped suggestions manually, because automated picks can miss context. Accept changes you trust and skip anything that looks important. Finish by emptying recently deleted in Photos and Files to reclaim space, and check storage settings to confirm gains. Once done, let Apple Intelligence continue learning. Rerun suggestions after 24 hours because the tool adapts to your preferences. If cleanup removed or miscategorized items, stop and restore from the backup you made. As a troubleshooting tip, if suggestions are consistently incorrect, reset Apple Intelligence permissions, toggle it off and on, and force a reindex so the model rebuilds its understanding of.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.